In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a credit note in Xero. To get started, open Xero and sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct organization if you manage more than one. This is important because credit notes are tied to specific customer or supplier records, and you want to avoid making changes in the wrong company file. After you are inside Xero, go to the top menu and select Sales if the credit note is related to a customer. From the drop-down menu, choose Invoices. If instead you are working with a supplier credit note, go to Purchases and then select Bills. This will take you to the area where you can locate the credit note you want to remove. Next, look for the tab that matches the status of the credit note. In many cases, this will be draft or awaiting approval, but you should also check the relevant status tab if needed. The reason this matters is that Xero organizes documents based on their current stage. So finding the right tab helps you quickly narrow down the record you are looking for. Once you've found the correct list, click on the specific credit note to open it. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to quickly review the details on the screen to confirm that this is the exact credit note you intend to delete or void. This can help prevent accidental changes, especially if there are several similar entries. When the credit note is open, go to the top right corner and click Credit Note Options. In some versions of the interface, this may appear as a three-dot menu icon instead. Both options lead you to the available actions for that credit note. From there, choose Delete or Void, depending on what Xero allows for that particular document. Then confirm the action when prompted. Keep in mind that the option you see can depend on the status of the credit note. For example, drafts are often deleted, while approved documents may need to be voided instead. Either way, Xero will ask for confirmation before applying the change, which gives you one last chance to make sure you are selecting the right option. After that, the credit note will be removed or marked as void, according to the action you selected. And that's all you need to do. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.